Hello, my name is Rossella and today I'm going to do the B paper included in this book published by the ABRSM in 2023. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and here of course on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter to receive directly on your inbox lots of free learning material such as ebooks, cheat sheets and much more. If you are preparing for a music theory exam, you might want to know about my online courses. The link is below. If you sign up to any of them, you will have a lifetime access and a 3-day money back guarantee. The courses include videos, ebooks, cheat sheets, audios, and loads of exercises to improve your knowledge and boost your confidence. I hope you enjoy it. Bye! Section 1 starts as ever with rhythm, and in the first question we are asked to circle the correct time signature for each of the bars. Now, I have just released an ebook about time signatures and includes all you need to know about it and also other bonus things such as the difference between 6/4 and 3/2 and the grouping of rests in compound times. You can have it for free if you sign up to my newsletter and just click on the link below. It's very useful. There is also a video about it on YouTube, free of course. Go and watch it because it's quite useful. So I won't say too much. There is included in the video and in the book because you can have it and you can revise your knowledge or improve it or feel more confident once you've got them. In the first example, we are clearly in simple time. We have 4 semiquavers here equals to a crotchet, then we have a crotchet, then we have another crotchet. We are clearly in 3/4. Perfect. In the second example, interesting, we have a floating quaver, and then we have 3 crotchets here. I think that, so we are, let's count, 3 crotchets, and then here we have 3 crotchets, okay? Although guys, this is a bit like confusing because for the way things are grouped, it might have been 6/4, but in this case it's 6 is 3/2. So I just said that in the book. So in other words, it can't be 2/2 because we should have just 2 minims. It can be 3/2 because we have, it's compound, it's clearly compound. So look at this. If we consider this as 3 quavers, this as 3 quavers, and this as a dotted crotchet and another dotted crotchet, we are in 12/8. Brilliant. So this is one of the cases in which you need really to think of grouping. It's clearly compound, so it can be any of these two, you see. So grouping in compound is it could have been 6/4, yeah, or 12/8, yeah. Honestly, interesting. Last question. We have a short value as a counting value. We have definitely 3 semiquavers and 3 semiquavers. Look, 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, and 3 here. We are in 6/16. Perfect. Done. I hope it was useful. Sorry for the confusion about the second, but I think it is 12/8. Question 2. In this question, we have to tick the box that shows this bar correctly rewritten in simple time. Now, as I always do it, I do it from scratch myself. So we have 9 quavers here grouped in 3s. They become 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. This is 3/4, 3 crotchets. So we have 3/4 here. Then 2 in the space of 2. We just cross this out. We have 3 in the space of 2, so we need to put a triplet sign, and the crotchet becomes a simple crotchet. So, where do we have 3/4, 2 quavers, a triplet, and a crotchet? I think that we have it here. This is it. Yeah, so this is the right answer. This other one has the wrong time signature. This one has a duplet sign here. There is incorrect and a dot here. Incorrect. Question 3. So quick. We need to complete these 2 sentences by adding a number. In 9/4, we have 9
crotchets grouped in threes. So we have how many dotted minims? 1, 2, and 3. There you go, 3. In 4/8, we have 4 quavers. This is a quaver and this is another quaver. So 2 quaver beats, because this is a semiquaver and another semiquaver. 2 quaver beats. You see, always, always, always start from the time signature is everything. But if you watch the video, this will be all clear. So do watch it. Question 4. In question 4, we need to tick the only box that shows the bar it grouped correctly. Now, as I just said, 1, 2, 3, time signature first. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Where do we have this? Look at here. We have 1, 2, 3, and something else. No. Here we have 1, 2, 3. And what's going on here? We're missing things. I don't know, this is too complicated. We have things merged, so complicated. No. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. You see the grouping is exactly this. So the right answer is this. You can see, guys, that I'm going quickly because I am skipping the passages. They make everything just longer and unnecessarily longer. We only need to think what is useful for us. The other things, we don't care. And I hope this is clear. Question 5. In this question, we need to show the with a tick or a cross whether the rests have been added correctly or incorrectly. Now, you know it now. Time signature first. We need to have 1, 2, and 3 minims. We don't have a minim here. Why do we have 2 crotchets? We can just have a minim. Right? So this is incorrect. Here, this is correct. 1 minim, 1 minim, 1 minim. Perfect. We cannot merge these 2 together because this is position 2 and 3. So we cannot do it. But if you watch the video, I say it there. This is 1 minim, or this should be, no, this is incorrect. This should be a minim and another minim. They should be separate. We cannot merge them, because we need to see 1 minim, 1 minim, 1 minim. So incorrect. Great stuff. So quick. Section 2. This section relates to pitch, and I have released the book already. You can find it on my website. I link it below. You can also sign up to my newsletter if you want to receive ebooks for free. They are for free for the first month. So do sign up to have, if you want to, if you are in grade 4, you're very likely to do grade 5 theory exam. So if you sign up, that will be like super good to finish and complete your knowledge with good books that have also cheat sheets, tests, quick tasks, links to short videos. It's really complete. They are really easy, essential. Anyway, bass clef is treble plus 2. So this is middle C and this is mi natural. There you go. The alto clef is treble plus 2 plus 1, or this is middle C. You can come from there, or I can see that this is D double sharp plus 2 is E double sharp. Perfect. Bass clef. This is middle C in treble, do, si, la, sol, fa, mi sharp plus 2 is G sharp. So it's mi sharp in treble clef, G sharp in the bass clef. This is middle C. So do, si, la, sol, fa, double flat. There you go. Sorted. We just count. We just count. If you do it online, it's worth having a pen or a pencil to point on the screen. I was just thinking. So you might want to have it. Question 2. In this question, we need to rewrite. In the actual exam, you need to drag the note on the stave, but here we just need to rewrite. This is La above middle C. So La from middle C here. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, La. That's it. Because we have to keep the pitch the same, so yeah. Middle C is here, so always, 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 if you watch my video about clefs, I link it below, but also if you have the ebook, you know this. If the pitch you want to know, middle C, are you above or below? Do, re, mi, fa, sol. This is G above middle C. So this is middle C and this is G above middle C. Brilliant. Sorted. Question 3. In this question, we need to compare the 3 bars and circle true or false. As ever, middle C first. This is Fa below middle C. This is Fa above middle C. And this is Fa, more than an octave above. So in order we have A, B, and C. And middle C is here. That's nice. So B and A are the same pitch. No, we just said that. C is 1 octave higher than A. No, I think it's 2 because this is 1 and then this is 2. Yeah, this is 2 octaves, so this is incorrect. Perfect. Please notice, guys, that I have started with finding middle C's. This is the first thing that you need to do, okay, to compare bars or pitches. Let's turn the page. One last question about pitch. We need to find the enharmonic equivalence of these 2 notes. This is B flat and this is G sharp, and we need a keyboard. Unnecessarily long, sorry. Oh my god. Sorry guys, this is E sharp. I read it in bass clef. There you go, you see. E sharp is this note here. Could be F, Fa, or G double flat. I think in this case we have Fa, F. So here it is. Perfect. I have almost fallen into the trap of reading the notes incorrectly. You can see how important it is. Anyway, so let's go on to section 3, keys and scales, the longest, the most important, 15 points. It's important to do it well. I am going to release an ebook and a long video about keys and scales, and it will give you all the pieces of information that you need to know to pass grade 4 and grade 5 with confidence. It could be used also for quick reference. There are a number of cheat sheets as well there, quick tasks, a test to revise your knowledge, links to short videos. There is a lot in these books and you can have them for free if you sign up to my newsletter. I link it below. Also watch this space because I advertise everything here on Instagram, on TikTok. So do sign up to my newsletter and follow me on TikTok and Instagram to know more. I repeat, the books are for free up to a certain point. So if you don't want to miss them, get them as soon as possible. In these first 2 questions, we need to tick the box that shows the key signature of B flat minor and E major correctly written. Now, B flat minor is the relative minor of D flat major, and D flat major has lots of flats. Big, elephants 8, dinosaurs and goat 5 flats. So we can exclude this, we can exclude this, and we've got these 2 here. Now the shape of the flats is zigzagging descending, and both of them seem to be like that. However, this is not B. The first flat needs to be B, but this is G. So the right answer is this, alto clef plus 1 B. Perfect. Next one. E major has 4 sharps. Fun, colouring, gigantic drawings. Okay, E minus 1 semitone. We can exclude these 2 flats here, and both of them have 4 sharps. Now the shape is a 3 curves, of which the second one is longer, and here we have the first one longer, so this is incorrect. The right answer is this. Sorted. Guys, I don't know if you agree with me, please comment below, but this is the quickest and safest way to identify the right key signature. I don't know what to say. I literally don't know what to invent. Question 3. There is a guide to a step-by-step guide to answer this question in the best and safest possible way as well. I link it below. I am redesigning them now, so you might want a fancy one. They are really cheap, and I recommend you to have them if you have doubts, okay, because it's really step by step. So it's quite handy to have also for grade 5. We need the order of flats and sharps, fun, coloring, gigantic drawings after eating breakfast, and then si, mi, la, re, sol, do, fa. Brilliant. We have sharps in this melody. We have do sharp, re sharp, mi sharp, and fa sharp. Okay. When we have a gap, okay, we have 2 gaps, but this sharp is included in the key signature, but we don't see it. Whereas this sharp is the leading note because it has been raised. So the key signature has 4 sharps, but this is the leading note of the minor scale. So we go 1 semitone up, fa sharp, and this is the key, fa sharp minor. F sharp minor is the relative minor of A, and A major has just 3 sharps. So why do we have D sharp? Because this is melodic ascending, so we need to have the 6th and 7th degree raised. There you go, so many things to know. Why are we not in F sharp major? Because with this A here, it's not sharp, we know it. So we really need to be careful with these things. Let's go ahead. We have another melody with sharps, so let's rub them out and see. So sharp, fa sharp, fa double sharp. This is the leading note. This is the leading note. So we just go a semitone below. Fa double sharp plus 1 semitone is G sharp minor. There you go. Yes, we can check the other sharps. We've got fa sharp, do sharp, but in the end we have 5 sharps in this melody, and we know it because of the double sharp. The next one is with flats. Careful with the clef, yeah, always, because otherwise we read the notes incorrectly. We have La flat, D flat, B flat, and E flat. Easy peasy. This is the key signature, and we are in A flat major because it's 4 flats minus 1. Okay. If you don't know what I'm talking about here with the order of sharps and flats, you will have a very clear view once you've got the ebook and watch the video. I am about to publish it very soon, so watch this space. Question 4. This question is about chromatic scales. There is a section in the ebook that I just mentioned about the chromatic scales. You can also watch a video on TikTok, I think, about these. We need a keyboard because we need to say whether the scales have been correctly or incorrectly written, and this is the worst keyboard that I could draw. Anyway, I don't know how to do it, but anyway, C, La sharp, La natural, So sharp, So natural, So flat. We can't have 3 notes of the same name together. No, this is false. Yeah, my video talks about how to make the scales incorrect, and if you know that, you know how to make them correctly, how to write them correctly. So if you know how not to write them, you know how to write them. If you know what I mean. But we cannot have 3 notes of the same name, so one of them needs to be an enharmonic equivalent. For example, this one, because we can't have 3 A's here, so this should be fa sharp instead. But anyway, next one. La sharp, Si sharp, Do sharp, Re sharp, Mi sharp, Fa sharp, Sol sharp, La. Correct. Oh, well done. Perfect. Question 5. In this question, we have to complete the scale of C sharp melodic minor ascending by taking the notes. The boxes here, they show the correct notes. Okay, we're in C sharp, so Do sharp, Re sharp, Mi, Fa sharp, So sharp. We need an A and we need a B. Now, C sharp minor is the relative minor of E major, and it has four sharps, fun, Korean gigantic drawings. Let's see, A is not included and B is not included as well in the key signature. However, it's a melodic minor ascending, so we need to raise them up. So both of them need to have an added sharp. So A sharp, B sharp. There you go. Only because it's melodic, so we need to remember this. 6th and 7th, yeah? Next page. In this question, we have two scales, B major and F harmonic minor, and we need to tick the box that shows which scale has been correctly written. So B major has sharps, fun, Korean gigantic drawings after 5 sharps. We have flats here, so goodbye. Now we can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both of them have 5 sharps, so we need to check which ones are correct, because here you can see that we have them swapped round. So we have to go by the names of the notes. This is B, so this is C, Do sharp, okay, Do sharp, Re sharp, and Mi sharp, this is the incorrect one. E sharp, this is not possible. We don't have any E sharp, so the right answer is the last one. Perfect. Next. F harmonic minor. This is the relative minor of A flat major, and A flat major has 4 flats. Si, Mi, La, Re. Perfect. We have sharps here. Goodbye. It's descending and it's harmonic. This means that the 7th degree needs to be raised. And look at here. This is not raised because it's flat. So the right answer is this. This was flat, but it has become natural because it has been raised. So the right answer is this. I hope this was useful. Question 7. In this question, we need to take true or false for each of the statements. This scale is D minor, which is the relative minor of F major, and F major has 1 flat, B flat. However, here there's not B flat. And this means that the 6th and 7th degrees have been raised because we have the sharp here. So this is D minor, melodic, ascending. Okay, that's it. That's it. This is the correctly written scale of melodic minor ascending. Yes, I've just said that. The submediant, so the 6th degree, is Fa. The 6th degree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not Fa, it's not F. It's B, so no. The largest interval between 2 notes next to each other is a major second. Yes, because this is a major second, yes. In the harmonic scale, we might have an augmented second, but not in the melodic, so this is correct. Adding a sharp to the 3rd degree here would make this scale D major. Yes, absolutely, because D major has 2 sharps and they are Fa and Do. So yeah, correct. Lovely. I love these questions. So nice. Section 4. This section has just 2 questions, but they are really long. So I write just one big keyboard here so I can use it for both questions. Now I've learned it. I will release a book as well about intervals. Watch this space again. Okay, do sign up to my newsletter. It is very convenient. And also sometimes I send videos to watch. I send a quick test to revise your knowledge. I just talk about something that I find interesting. For example, during my lessons, if something comes up, then I write it and I share it with other people as well. It's a nice way of being part of the Virtuoso community as well. Okay, an augmented fourth is, so first we need to find the name of the note, Fa sharp. Then a fourth above is 1, 2, 3, 4, it's B. Now, a perfect fourth is 2.5 tones away, so 1, 2.5. B would be perfect. We need to make it augmented, so we need A sharp. Done. This is middle C, Do, Si, La, Sol, Fa, Mi. This is Mi flat. Now, the perfect octave is my favorite. We just need to write an E flat above. Brilliant. I love it. I absolutely love it. Fa sharp. A minor second up from Fa sharp is just G, is a semitone above. There you go. Lovely. A major seventh. Okay, in my ebook you will learn about the flipping over technique. If you've watched other videos of mine, you might know about this, especially for the grade 5 videos, which I think you haven't watched yet because you're in grade 4 at the moment, but you will learn about this. So do get the ebook as soon as you can, because as soon as I release it, because it's quite handy. A major second reverse is a minor second. We have to find a minor second below. From B, a minor second is a semitone below, so it's La sharp. Now we reverse it. So we flip it over, and this is a major seventh. I hope this is clear, but after the video and the ebook about intervals, everything will be like super clear. A diminished 4 from B sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mi. Now B sharp is this. 1, 2.5. This is a perfect fourth. We have to make it diminished, so we need to decrease the space. Here, what note is this? Mi. Not Mi sharp, but Mi. So E. This is already a diminished fourth. A perfect fourth from Do sharp is 3.5 tones away. 1, 2, 3.5. G sharp. Perfect. All done. I hope this was useful. Let's move on to question 2. In question 2, we need to find the type of the intervals, but to find the type, we need to find the number. So we have to do the same as before, but without writing it. This is a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's Mi flat and Do. What do? I reverse them, and I see what kind of third this is. Do Mi flat is 1.5. So it's a third, but it's a minor third because the space has been reduced. So minor third flipped round again is major. It's a major 6. So this is a major 6. This is a fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, La flat and Re flat. And let's count. 1, 2.5. A perfect fourth is 2.5. So this is perfect. This is middle C, so we have Fa sharp, Do, Si, La, So, Fa, and then we have La. Okay, this is a third. 1.5. So it's not 2 tones, but it's 1.5. So it's not major, but minor. There is a cheat sheet about intervals at the moment. It will be included in the ebook, and in the cheat sheet is included everything I'm saying here. Do get it, it's on my website, I link it below. This is B flat and this is C sharp. That means that this is a second, but let's see what kind of second. B flat, 1, this is a major second, but we have another semitone and a half. So this is not major, but is augmented. Done. You happy? I am, I'm going so quickly. Let's turn the page. This section is about chords. Okay, the first question is a bit more long, but then we have other two very short. The tonic triad of F sharp minor is this one. No, because this is sharp. It shouldn't have been sharp. So it's false. Whatever that is, we should have a minor third between these two notes, the first and third. The subdominant, so the fourth degree of E flat major, is A flat, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, A flat. E flat major has 3 flats, big elephants 8. We have an A here, flat. We have a C, not flat, and we have E flat, yes. So this is the subdominant, yes, it is true. And the subdominant, so the fourth degree again of G minor is Do, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do is C minor basically. And is this C minor? Yes, because we have Sol, E flat and C. So Do, Mi flat, Sol. Yeah, this is the subdominant. G minor has 2 flat, B and E, and so this is flat. Yeah, that's correct as well. Brilliant. The dominant, so the 5th degree of A major is an E major chord, but this is not E. So it's not the 5th. La, Si, Do, Re, Mi. This is a D. So incorrect. It was quicker than I thought. Good. Question 2. This question is super quick because we just need to write the chord numbers, the Roman numbers, underneath. And to do that, we just need to see the bottom note. E minor, so this is La. Mi, Fa, Sol, La. This is the chord, the 4th degree, so chord 4. In B minor, so this is Fa sharp. If you count, Do, Si, La, Sol, Fa, Fa sharp. It's the 5th, Si, Do, Re, Mi, Fa. We always go up to count, yeah, and we don't go down. It's the degree of a scale, so yeah. D flat major, this is D flat in bass clef, so it's the 1st degree. Perfect. You see how quick it is? Super quick. Wow. Question 3. It is my intention to publish a book about chords as well. So do watch this space because I am going to release it. I don't know where you will watch this video, but at the moment it's not ready yet, but I am writing it. So you will see it very soon. If you go to my website, you will know if the book is out or not. In this question, we need to write the numbers as before, but we are not given the chord in the root position, so we have to find it. We are in F minor. So let's write the names of the notes. Fa, Fa, La flat, and Do. Fa is doubled. Now we have to put them in order. It means in order of the scale. And fa, sol, la, si, do, fa, sol, la, si, do, we have this chord, so we are in order. Fa is the bottom note and it's the tonic, so number 1. Second, we have B flat, fa, another B flat, and re. B flat is doubled. We should put them in order, so to have on, off, on. And I think the only way is to put B flat at the bottom, re and fa. B flat is the bottom note. And for F, so we need to count, fa, sol, la, si, is the 4th degree. 4. Chord 4. Last one. Fa, la flat, do, and fa. Fa is doubled, and fa, la, do is already in order. We have another chord 1 here. It's the end of the piece, so we do expect a final cadence for it. Perfect. Sorted. Section 6. This question is about terms and signs and instruments, so it's pure knowledge. I have at the moment just released I'm about to release a boot camp about terms and science, grade 1. There will be grade 2, grade 3, grade 4 and grade 5. Now the thing that is misunderstood is that when you are in grade 4 you think that you don't need the grade 1 knowledge, but actually it is assessed up to grade 8. And sometimes when I mark the papers in grade 8 I still see people not remembering what dolce means or andante means, so they are very confused. It's always good every now and again to revise the knowledge, and these boot camps are great because you have lifetime access to it. So anytime you just go and revise, okay? And they have books, videos, tests, cheat sheets and more. Flashcards and more. Tempo rubato. Okay, rubato means stolen. It means that we need to fluctuate the beating in a free way. So we don't have a strict beating to follow, although we do have it, but it's complicated now for me to say it. So I would say with some freedom of time. Sempre means always. And alla marcia, like march, yeah, in the style of a march. Do you look for assonance? If you speak Spanish, siempre is the same. Yeah, so do look for these things. Rubato is difficult, but yeah. Question 2. In this question, there you go. You see, we need to find the meaning of dolce. Now, if you don't remember it, this is in the grade 1 syllabus, and I'll tell you that it means sweet, douce. In French, if you are French, you are very advantaged here. These are the things, these two, the crescendo da capo, are still from the grade 1 syllabus. So you see that everyone needs to remember them. Okay. Question 3. This is a gruppetto or turn. Upper turn. There you go. Appoggiatura is one note. Trill is TR, tr. Upper mordent is this. Perfect. There is a cheat sheet about these ornaments if you want to get it. I link it below. There are many cheat sheets that I publish and they will always be for free. So do have a look at my website. I link it below. Question 4. We need to circle true or false for each of the statements. Timpani can be played arco. No, because arco is the bow, so we use it just for strings. Flute, the flute can be played sul, sol. No, this is just for strings again. It's on the string, on the sol string, on the G string. The trumpet is the highest sounding brass instrument. Yeah? I think so. Yeah. True. The tuba uses the alto clef. No, it's bass clef. It's so low, it needs to use the bass clef. The side drum produces sounds of indefinite pitch. Yes, it does. I have released a cheat sheet about percussion instruments. It's quite useful to have because you've got the indefinite and definite pitched instruments all in one go, and then you can see other things in it, and there is a video attached to it. So it's nice to have it. It's for free, so I link it below. Do get it. Section 7. In this section, we need to answer questions relating to a piece of music that is also attached to the question. How many notes are marked to be played staccatissimo? 2, because the mark is this one here. So 2. We have many indications here about articulation. In which bar is the performer told to play quicker? Well, this is bar 6 when we find più mosso. In which bar is the performer told to pause on the note? And this is another great one piece of knowledge, is in bar 6 again. And it's this symbol here with an arc and a dot inside. How many times is the leading note of E flat major in this melody? So E flat major, the leading note is a semitone below, so it's re, D. Let's count. I counted 3. How many intervals of major third, so 2 tones, are in this melody? We've got 1 in bar 1 here. Then we've got 1 in bar 4. I think 2. These 2. Mi flat sol, la flat do. I think 2. I hope I'm correct. So I haven't got the answers book, so I hope I'm not missing anything, but let me know if so. In the next question, we need to circle true or false for each of the statements. So all the notes in the melody can be found in the scale of E flat major. No, because we have this A natural in bar 3, so no. The melody is to be played sadly. Well, actually it's the opposite, because scherzando means joyfully, so no. The melody begins on the second beat of the bar. Yes, it does. The first bar is incomplete, so yes, that's correct. Question 3. In this question, we need to find the bar that will sound like bar 3, but it's written in another clef, but it's the bar has been rewritten. Oh my God, what's going on here? The first bar could be correct because we do have B flat only in this piece, in this bar. The second bar is correct, and this is incorrect because the slur goes up to here. So this bar is more correct. Sempre legato means, slurred all the way through, and that could be. The third bar is incorrect because it doesn't include A flat. Otherwise, the rest is correct. So the right answer is the second one. It needs to be thought through, to be honest, because it's not that easy, but they rewrite it in a different way, which is really clever. Yeah, I like this question. Question 4, the last one of this paper. We need to see which bar is bar 1 correctly rewritten twice the value. So first of all, the time signature is 2 halves. Twice the value means 2 semibrevi, so 4 minims. So we have a crotchet, which will become a minim. Then we should have a quaver into a crotchet and a semiquaver into a quaver. Then we have a triplet with a minim, a dotted minim, and a crotchet, all as a triplet. Where do we find this? Probably here. Yeah, I think it's here. 4 halves, a dotted crotchet, a quaver, minim, minim, dotted minim, and the crotchet. So the right answer is this. This has got the wrong time signature, and this one here has got the wrong the quaver. There's no need, because this is one minim and then this is the other minim, so there's no need to split the rests in this case. They are not between the counting. Done. I hope it was useful. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, to subscribe to my newsletter, and to comment if this video was useful. Let me know about your musical studies, and let me know if you take the exam, how it goes. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to leave a like down there and share it with your friends. If it was useful for you, it will be useful for other people too. Now, if you want more sample papers published by ABRSM, click here and find the video you're looking for. In the meantime, I would like to thank all the ones who are messaging me and leaving comments. You know that I always read them and I always reply. And thanks to all the ones who are telling me that, thanks to my videos, they have improved and feel more confident. This makes me so happy. What else to say? Happy music, everyone. Bye.